So, let's see what we have. This is a little slime ball. Is this a slime ball? What is this, Kalina? Have you had this before? So we have
New flavor.
flavor of some sort. Hey!
Oh, and
Some
what?
sort of mixer.
To make sure.
Oh, it smells good. I can smell it. It smells like a Jolly Rancher. Oh, maybe try to. Can you try to put it in?
It's okay.
A little bit of powder, put it back in.
It's alright.
Beautiful sugar. Huh, Kalina? You don't want any sugar to go wasted. You gonna taste it?
It tastes like a
Melon.
melon. Yeah. Burnt cream.
Ooh.
Just eat this.
Let me see. It's a little slime. It's like a little booger. Is that a booger? Is that a booger? You gonna eat boogers? Hey, Kalina's gonna eat a booger. Kalina's gonna eat a booger. Ew!
Not the burger.
Oh no.
My daddy's funny.
I know.
These are green boogers this time. Oh, you need a booger? Okay, how long do we have to wait, Kalina? What's that? 5? High five? What's that mean?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Are you tasting it while you wait? What are you doing? Are you like a little camel? Is that how you drink?
Come on, drink like this. Okay, that is ready.
Yeah, see if you can pick one up.
Oh!
Ew.
Where is it? I can break
Okay, I
it.
see. Oh yeah, it's like a little egg.
They make egg too.
Pop it in your mouth. What's it like?
It tastes like watermelon.
Yeah, what was it? Did it pop?
No,
No, what'd it do? Did you just
Yeah.
swallowed it?
it's just melted.
It just melts?
I'm going to try red first. Here we go.
Try a red one. These are like those, when you have frozen yogurt, those little balls on top. Mine's leaking. Hey!
Boo boo.
Oh yeah, look at this one. Oh no, it broke! It broke!
Eat it.
Ew, it's a booger! It's a booger! It's a booger! Ew, I don't want a booger! I don't want to eat a booger. You eat the booger. Oh, Kalina eats boogers. Let's see. Let me see. Look at that booger. Ew. Ah, is that everything? Oh no, there's little boogers left.
We're gonna eat a little one.
Yeah, there's a little booger on there.
That baby booger said, ah!
Okay, are we done? That video's done?
I'm just doing this.
You're gonna drink it?
Okay, back. I think one more.